Hi everyone, it's Artist. Welcome to the channel. In this video we'll be reviewing Makita's cordless metal shears. This is DJS161Z. It is body only tool, so it won't come with batteries or charger, etc. Before we go into today's video, let's thank a sponsor of this video. We have purchased these ourselves from them, so it's turn powders and fixings, but they have sorted us a deal out as well, so let's thank them for that. And without further ado, let's go into the video. So we'll see what's in the box. This is how it comes. So tool there with your book, etc. I have used it a little bit, so it's has got some scars, shall we say. Unfortunately this is brushed one, so it's not brushless, this model itself, so depending on the usage, obviously you will have to take care of them, but that's how it looks. It's quite simple tool, your on and off switch, so powered by 18-volt battery. So if you have a 18-volt batteries, so yeah, you won't have to worry about it. It's LXT, Makita's LXT range. So let's weigh it down as we do normally, see what it weighs at. So we go to pounds first. With 3 amp 18-volt battery, it's 4.511 pounds or 2.048 kilos, so just over 2 kilograms, which is not too bad, to be fair. I've never used any shears myself, but as in weight wise it's not too much, 2 kilos. There are lighter tools obviously, but there are heavier as well. So what we'll do, we'll go into the technical side of this video, and then we'll switch to practical side and we'll give it a go, see how it cuts a metal itself. Let's take a closer look at the technical details of the Makita DJS161Z, an 18-volt LXT straight body metal shear designed for fast, accurate cutting in sheet metal and fabrication work. This tool delivers up to 4,300 strokes per minute, giving it a fast, clean cutting action through a variety of metal materials. In terms of cutting capacities, it handles up to 1.6 millimeters in mild steel, 1.2 millimeters in stainless steel, and up to 2.5 millimeters in aluminium, making it versatile for body panels, cladding and general metalwork. The DJS161Z also has a minimum cutting radius of around 250 millimeters, allowing you to follow curves and contours more easily than many traditional straight shears. In size and weight, the bare tool comes in at around 2.0 kilograms with an overall length of roughly 362 millimeters, maintaining good control and balance even during longer cutting sessions. Noise levels sit around 71 decibels, while vibration during metal cutting is approximately 13 meters per second squared, which is fairly typical for this category. For usability, it features a straight body design for improved maneuverability, a slide type on-off switch with a lock-on function, anti-restart protection and built-in current limiting to help protect the motor during heavy cutting. Overall, the Makita DJS161Z offers high cutting speed, solid material capacity and a compact form factor, ideal for professionals who need a cordless shear that balances precision, power and mobility. It's not meant for thick plate work, but for sheet metal tasks it provides reliable and efficient performance. Right, so shears are here, let's give it a go.
well, I did it quite well, as you can see. Can cut shapes as well, not just in a straight line, as you can see here. Did a quite good job. So let's see how can we cut the corner. You can cut corners as well. Like an L shape you'll be able to cut. Must say I did struggle a little bit of cutting corrugated sheets, but I think it was one of them reasons would have been lack of the usage itself. But yeah, it does the job. As you can see, it does cut through. I can demonstrate, it's quite easy. So yeah, it does it without sparks, which is good. It's not difficult at all. Yeah, quite impressed to be fair with this tool. Obviously I don't have much of the experience myself. Obviously the more experience you'll get with the tool itself, the better you'll become. But yeah, I've used it to cut this sheet, the corrugated stuff, not the L bracket. So with the L bracket it's not really a problem, but with the corrugated I was having trouble because it was bent structure, so I couldn't really get into all the corners. But if it's a straight sheet, I'm sure you'll be able to do it. As you could see, we did cut through the L piece itself, so that was okay. It did bend a little bit there, but at least it doesn't, there's no sparks, so it's safe from that respect, which is brilliant. Yeah, so kind of impressed, I would say. This is what you got left with after you cut it. So this is what leaves a coil of the metal. Yeah, so let's go into the pros and cons of this tool, and we'll wrap up the video there. So the pros: clean, spark-free cuts with no burrs, compact, lightweight and well balanced. Comes with its own little Allen key, so you can change these. Quieter and low vibration compared to grinders. Cons: quite expensive for a single purpose tool. Doesn't like corrugated or thick materials above its rated capacity. No chip collector included. The metal slugs can scatter around, but personally, the way, depending on the metal you cut, as you saw, it doesn't really scatter any slugs as such. It just rolls them in a coil. So yeah, well, is Makita DJS161Z worth buying? Well, if you work with the sheet metal regularly, especially roofing, cladding or ducting, this tool is game changer. It's clean, controlled and built to last. For most carpenters it's probably a niche tool, but if you do any kind of mixed trade site installation work, it's brilliant addition to your LXT lineup. So yeah, this tool was bought for the project. We still haven't finished the project yet, so that was the sole reason why it been bought, because yeah, it will save some time, and i.e. there will be jobs where you can use it again, I'm sure. But again, if you are in sheet metal production, etc., then, or you work with it daily, then that is a no-brainer in my opinion. So yeah, Again, don't forget to like and subscribe our videos so you don't miss any new videos, and so we get more tools to review in the future. So yeah, that's it for this video, and we'll catch up in our next videos.